I'm Lena and I've been wearing wigs for 12 years. I have an autoimmune disease, alopecia areata, and therefore I am a long-term wearer. Proper care simply increases the life of the wig and keeps it looking healthy and natural for longer, which of course increases the feel-good factor. Before washing, we comb the wig evenly from bottom to top. Combing is important to loosen tangles or small knots before washing. I use a white-toothed comb because I wear a curly wig and sharp edges could damage the wig cap. First, we remove any adhesive from the wig cap. And now we have already prepared a washing bowl of lukewarm clean water and put 1 to 2 tablespoons of the shampoo into the water bath and distribute it evenly by hand. We use a shampoo specially developed for synthetic hair. We reach with a flat hand from the bottom into the wig cap and fix the hair from the top with our thumb, and then we draw the wig a few times evenly through the water bath and strike out the hair at the end. It is very important not to touch the wig directly at the lace front because it is very delicate and tears quickly. We rinse the wig out under running lukewarm water in the direction of the fall of the hair and make sure that there is no shampoo left in the hair or the wig cap. To make the wig last as long as possible, it is important to apply care products regularly. We use the balm for a natural-looking appearance. We put 1 to 2 tablespoons of the balm into the washing bowl with clean, lukewarm water, distribute it evenly by hand, and place the wig in the balm bath for a few minutes. Different to human hair wigs, the balm remains in the hair of the synthetic hair wig and is not rinsed out. We place the wig on a clean towel and carefully pat it dry. Rubbing and wringing should be avoided so as not to damage the hair structure. We place the wig on a wig stand and let it air dry gently overnight. A great advantage of synthetic hair is that the wig does not need any additional styling. It automatically reverts into its original hairstyle. We must not use heat under any circumstances because this would destroy the hair structure. After drying, we carefully comb the wig from the bottom to the top and apply a little of hair shine with UV protection. Add some hairspray as needed, and that's it. What's great about my wig is that in everyday life, I don't even notice that I'm wearing it at all. So it's a light and easy way of life.